Good day, everyone. Welcome to Howstoh. Today's video, I will show you how to make graduation program cover. But before we start, I would like you to subscribe first to this channel and hit the notification bell so you will notify for my upcoming video tutorials. So let's go to my phone. Open your Pixellab app. Then, choose your background. Double tap the new text and type your text. Then, swipe to the right and tap the font. Choose your font style. After that, make your text colorful. Find the color icon. Then, color all the letters with different colors, like this. After that, tap the check sign. Then, we're going to add photo. Tap this icon. And the import icon also. Then, choose a photo. Tap the check sign. And here it is. Put the photo in your desired position. After that, tap the shape icon. Choose a shape. Then tap again the check sign. And now, find the 3D rotate. Then adjust the x-axis. After that, tap the plus sign to add text. Then, double tap again the new text. And type your text. Drag it down over the first text. Then, make it colorful again. Find the color icon. And what you did on the first text, do it again on the second text. And after that, tap the check. Then, change the font style. As you can see, our program cover looks like different. It's because we added some design, like what you see. To do that, tap the shape icon. chose the circle, then change the color. And after that, compress it and put it to your desired position. And do it repeatedly until it gets better. Then, here it is. I hope this is useful. See you on the upcoming video tutorial. And thank you for watching.